With the $100 million offers method, when I was young and in my 20s, I made more in a year than the CEOs of McDonald's, IKEA, Ford, Motorola, and Yahoo put together. It's true, and you will be able to use it. But not too long ago, my business was so bad that I couldn't even give away my skills for free. I would look at my bank account at the end of each month, hoping to see growth. Something had to change, but I didn't know what. I went from losing money to making $36 for every $1 I spent over the next 48 months. During that time, we made more than $120 million in 4 different industries: service, internet, software, and brick and mortar. But unlike everyone else, we didn't have good channels, good ads, or a niche market with a lot of money. We didn't even send emails until we had sold more than $50 million. Instead, we were good at one thing: making deals that were so good, people felt silly turning them down. Here's what this book will teach you exactly: how to charge a lot more than you currently are. We use the tiny market, big money method to zero in on special markets that are full of money. The method for unfair prices: how we made our prices 100 times higher and got more people to say yes. The value flip, so you never have to worry about being priced again. The price loop that works well: use it to outspend your competitors for good and get the best people to work for you by using your product. How to make your product so good that customers will find a way to buy it. The unbeatable value equation is to make what you sell worth more than what your customers have ever gotten. The delivery queue is a way to get your goods and services to people for less money while giving them more. The trim and stack hack is a way to make as much money as possible by using the best delivery methods. This has never been made public, but it's how we made $17 million in a year on $28 million in sales when I was 28. How to improve your deal so much that people buy it right away: the stack of lack. How to use the 3 types of shortage in every offer you make to get people to buy as soon as you ask them to. The everyday urgency plan: to get people to buy right away, use daily life to create real ethical time pressure. Unbeatable gifts: and watch your prospects' hesitations melt away as they start reading their credit cards to you before you're even done. God mode guarantees: so good that anyone will say yes to them, even people who would never buy from them before. I'll show you how to put all 4 kinds of promises on top of each other. I even give you 13 of my best promises. Swipe for yourself word for word. Magic naming formula to get the best response and conversion rates from everything you do to get new clients. And so much more. The techniques in this book are so easy, so quick, and so successful that it seems like they work by magic. If you use even one of the ideas in this book, you'll notice a difference in how your prospects act. And you'll know the $100 million offers method works when people start asking, "What do I need to do to move forward?" before you even ask for the sale. Alex Hormozi's book, $100 Million Offers: How to Make Offers So Good People Feel Stupid Saying No, is a step-by-step guide to making offers that make potential customers feel stupid for saying no. The book is split into 5 pieces, and each one is about a different part of making offers that sell well. Section 1. The foundation of a $100 million offer. This section goes over the most important parts of a $100 million offer, such as how important it is to offer a unique answer to a specific problem, make people feel like time is running out, and show social proof. Hormozi also says that it's important to know how pricing works psychologically and how to use that knowledge to make good deals. Section 2. The offer stack. This section goes into depth about the offer stack, which is a group of separate offers that are put together to make a bigger, more appealing offer. Hormozi shows how to set up an offer stack, how to price each offer separately, and how to use scarcity and haste to make the offer seem more valuable. Section 3. The offer funnel. In this part, we'll talk about the offer funnel, which is the process of leading potential customers through a series of offers that get more expensive and better over time. Hormozi shows how to make a good offer funnel, including how to move people through the funnel with lead magnets, tripwires, and core offers. Section 4. The offer mindset. This part is about the way of thinking you need to have to make high-converting offers. Hormozi says it's important to put the customer first, know what they want and need, and be ready to try new things and make changes in order to make the best offer possible. Section 5. The Offer Execution. This section gives practical tips and strategies for making a high-converting offer, such as how to use copywriting and stories to create an emotional connection with potential customers, how to use video and other media to increase engagement, and how to use data and analytics to track and improve the performance of the offer. Throughout the book, Hormozi provides real-world examples and case studies to illustrate the concepts and strategies he outlines. He also talks about the importance of trying and iterating to make the best possible offers and gives tools and resources to help readers put the strategies in the book into action. The main goal of the book is to teach people how to make deals that are so good that potential customers feel stupid if they say no. Thanks for watching our Amazon book review. If you found our review helpful and you're interested in checking it out for yourself, we've included a link to it in the description below. By clicking on that link, you'll not only get more details about it on Amazon, but also support our channel at no cost to you. So go ahead and click that link to grab your copy of the book and dive into an exciting reading journey. Happy reading, and thanks for your support.